Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So today, this is what we're doing. I haven't done one of these in a while. Usually I like do my intro and then I do my hair, but I wanted to look kind of cute. I was tired of looking dusty for my intros. I want y'all to see me with my hair done. So yeah, this is it. If you want to see how I achieve this style, definitely stay tuned. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and keep watching because the tutorial is following right now.
So first and foremost, the thing I dread the most, parting. So I'm gonna just part my little section. The good thing about this style is I don't have to really necessarily part as much, and it's a little chunk. But yeah, I just part my little section into like a square, and I section that part off. Blah blah blah. What? I section that part off so I can get everything else together. Now I'm doing my edges because you guys know that also takes me a long time. Basically do everything that's really hard so then the easy parts just come natural, you know. Did my edges mainly off camera because I didn't want y'all talking about me. Yeah, I got my edges done. Yes, and now for the special effect main event part of the hairstyle. I'm just going to moisturize this part the same way I'm going to moisturize the whole head, but I'm doing this section first because it's the actual, I guess, style of it all, and I just want to make sure it's done before I add product all the way throughout my hair. So first I use my curl activator just to moisturize my hair and just get it, you know, curly for the girlies. And then I take my comb and I part it in half because I'm gonna do two different sections. I'm gonna do 2 pieces in each section. So right here, I'm about to part this in half. After I see, my edges just be doing what I want to do. Did I forget to cut this out? Oh my gosh, I did not see that part. Okay, I section it off, twist the back piece, and then I rubber band the front piece because the front piece is what we're gonna use to feed into the back pieces. So rubber band, rubber band, rubber band, rubber band, rubber band, rubber band, rubber band. Y'all know my favorite part. Rubber band, man. Wow, it's a Taliban 9 in my right, 45 in my other. Who I miss? But yeah, okay. So then I part this in half. Let's hope I do this right and I didn't not cut it out. Good. Twist the back so it can just be out of my way. Look at me talking. I'm always talking on the phone. That's why I be trying to bring these voiceovers because I really don't be wanting to stop my conversation because I literally record every day. You don't care about that. Anyways, I record so much that it's like, dang, I don't want to just stop my life. So yeah, I be talking. Yeah, so I pinned that with a bobby pin to the side because it was getting on my nerves and it was just in the way. But I take my front piece and connect it diagonally to the back piece, diagonal from it. And then I do the same for the other front piece and connect it diagonally to the part that I pinned up. And that is my side piece. You know, side piece. Never a side, always a main. I'm just like, no, I'm joking. But yeah, do that. And then boom, we are done with the side. Ooh. And now for the main event. This part was the easiest. Literally do the same steps all over. I wet it, curl activator, then my curl jelly. Wet, curl activator, curl jelly. Wet, curl activator, curl jelly. All throughout the hair. Make sure it's moisturized, okay? I purposely do my hair before I get in the shower for this reason. If it's not wet, it's not right. And that's just personally how I feel. So yeah, you saw the curl activator. Put that in first. And then I try to do it on both sides because I don't want like to not evenly distribute everything. So I try to do it in like chunks evenly on both sides. So I just follow the routine all the way up, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch it peacefully without me talking. I'll be back.
And we are done. The only thing I don't like about doing my hair and doing the outro like right after is the fact that I don't give my hair time to dry. But my hair takes like days to dry, so you guys aren't gonna get that. But I like it. I like this more than the middle part that I tried. Well, no, actually it was a side part, but I think this makes me comfortable. I like when stuff is pulled back. I tried to avoid that because I was told that it looks childish, but it's like, it works. It works for me at least. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and keep coming back because we are not done. Vlogtober, Hairtober, however you want to say it, is nowhere near finished. I'm lying. This is probably day like this is probably day like 26, no lie. I don't even know. But when you see this, that's what day it is, and just know we not done yet. But yeah, love you guys.